Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Darren, one of the arborists with LeBel Landscaping. Today we're going to talk about tree removals. At LeBel Landscaping, we pride ourselves on performing safe, effective, and affordable tree removals. It starts with one of our 5 certified arborists performing a site visit to your property. If removal is warranted, then we can pull the necessary permit and/or provide the needed reports and documentation. We can also offer emergency services when needed. We have a dedicated tree crew that is equipped with the proper lifts, skid steers, dump trucks, and stump grinders that are needed to safely and effectively perform the work. Our tree removals start with a job site walk with our crews and one of our certified arborists. They will review the scope of work, identify any hazards, and come up with a detailed plan. We are careful to park our trucks in a manner that will not inhibit traffic and also maximize our efficiency. Many times we will set out construction mats that will keep our machines from damaging your hardscapes and yard. We are experienced in rigging to control the fall of cut branches and logs. We can even bring a crane for the most complex projects. When you hire LeBel Landscaping to perform your tree removals, you know that you're getting an expert opinion about the tree, proper planning, and an expertly executed operation. Contact us today for your free consultation. No excuses, just results.